University versus apprenticeships. What's the smarter choice for UK youth? Right, let's settle this once and for all. University or apprenticeship? If you're 16 to 21 in the UK right now, this might be the most expensive decision you'll ever make. And I'm not just talking about money, I'm talking about your entire future. Two paths, one big decision. The university route. 3 years of lectures, independence, and yes, massive debt. But also critical thinking, research skills, and experiences that shape who you become. The apprenticeship path. Earning from day one, learning practical skills, and building real-world experience. No debt, but a different kind of challenge entirely. Whether it's your nan at Sunday dinner, or your careers advisor for the 100th time, the pressure's real, isn't it? Today, we're diving deep into what actually matters when making this decision in 2025. Getting real, 2 siblings, 2 different paths. Look, I get it. You're probably sick of everyone asking, so what are you doing next? Here's the thing, both my younger brother and sister faced this exact choice. One went to uni, one chose an apprenticeship. And honestly, they're both doing brilliantly, but in completely different ways. The reality is that there's no single right answer anymore. The landscape has shifted dramatically, and the old assumptions about university being the automatic route to success simply don't hold true for everyone in 2025. The money talk. Let's break down the numbers. University route average debt after graduation, £45,000 starting salary for grads, £24,000 to £28,000. Reality check. Only 30% of graduates actually use their degree directly in their job, apprenticeship route earning from day one. Minimum 8.40 hour, under 19. Average apprentice salary by completion, £22,000. Total debt, 0 employment rate after completion, 90%.
My mate Tom, he's 23, finished his engineering apprenticeship at Rolls-Royce, and he's just bought his first flat. Meanwhile, I'm still paying off my student loans at 28. Makes you think, doesn't it?
The real learning experience, theory versus practice. University learning. You're getting the theory, and don't get me wrong, that's valuable. Critical thinking, research skills, and yes, surviving on pot noodles for a week. The independence you gain, priceless. Academic rigor and research methods. Broad knowledge base across subjects. Time for self-discovery and exploration. International perspectives and diverse thinking. Apprenticeship learning. You're literally learning on the job. No more, when will I use this in real life? Because you're using it right now. Building actual skills that employers are crying out for. Immediate practical application. Industry-specific expertise. Professional mentorship and guidance. Real workplace experience from day one. Here's something mad. 70% of employers say they struggle to find people with the right practical skills. Meanwhile, we've got thousands of psychology graduates working in retail. Not knocking retail, but you see the disconnect? The social side. Let's be honest about what matters. University, social life, Freshers' Week, societies, student nights at Spoons. It's the full experience. You're meeting people from everywhere, trying ultimate frisbee, and basically finding yourself. Independence and personal growth. Diverse friend groups and networks. Cultural and social experiences. Time for experimentation and discovery. Apprenticeship. Professional life. You're the youngest in the office, probably getting sent for tartan paint on your first day, but you're networking with actual professionals and can actually afford to go out. Professional networking from day one, mentorship from experienced colleagues, financial independence and stability, real-world industry connections.
My sister doing her marketing apprenticeship, she's 20 and already has contacts at major companies. That's gold dust for building a career.
Career prospects. The new reality. Here's where it gets really interesting. The old idea that uni equals better career? It's not that simple anymore. University graduates. Access to graduate schemes, 25,000, 35,000. Some careers absolutely need a degree. Doctor, lawyer, teacher. Better long-term earning potential. Sometimes, but not always. Broader career flexibility and options. Apprenticeship completers. Often offered permanent roles immediately. Can earn while getting additional qualifications. Degree apprenticeships. Best of both worlds. By 25, many earning what graduates won't see until 30. The reality check, what they don't tell you. Not everyone's cut out for uni. And that's not an insult. Some of the smartest people I know couldn't sit through another lecture if you paid them. They learn by doing. Equally, not everyone wants to jump straight into work at 18. Some people need that time to figure things out, to explore different subjects, to make mistakes in a relatively safe environment. How do I actually learn best? Are you a hands-on learner who gets bored in lectures, or do you thrive on theoretical discussions and academic challenges? Am I picking uni because I want to, or because it's expected? Be brutally honest. Is this your choice, or are you following the path others have laid out for you? What do I want my early 20s to look like? Do you want independence and new experiences? Or are you ready to start building professional skills and earning money? Do I know what career I want, or do I need time to explore? Some people know exactly what they want to do. Others need time and experience to figure it out. The truth? There's no universally smarter choice. There's only what's smarter for you. Plot twist. The third option. You don't have to choose right now. Gap years aren't just for finding yourself in Thailand anymore. Work and save. Take time to earn money while figure out what you actually want to do. Financial independence gives you more choices later. Online courses test different fields with platforms like Coursera, EDX, or FutureLearn, a much cheaper way to explore your interests. Level 3. Qualifications. Do a shorter qualification first. A-levels, BTECs, or vocational courses that keep your options open for later. Start a business. Seriously, why not? Barriers to entrepreneurship have never been lower, and you'll learn skills no classroom can teach.
My cousin took a gap year, worked in hospitality, realized he loved it, and now manages a restaurant at 24. No degree, no formal apprenticeship, just worked his way up. There's more than two paths here.
The bottom line, it's your path to choose. Whether you choose university, an apprenticeship, or something completely different, you're not locked in forever. People change careers all the time. I know lawyers who became plumbers, and electricians who went back to uni at 30. The smartest choice? It's the one where you've actually thought about what you want, not what your parents want, not what your mates are doing, but what makes sense for your life, your goals, and your situation. Remember this. Both paths can lead to success. Both paths can lead to failure if you're doing it for the wrong reasons. This isn't about choosing the right path. It's about choosing your path. So take a breath, do your research, and remember, you've got time to figure this out. The pressure you're feeling, it's normal, but it doesn't have to rush you into the wrong decision. What do you reckon? Are you team uni or team apprenticeship? Or are you doing something completely different? Whatever you choose, make sure it's authentically yours. That's when the magic happens.